Guys, we're here. We made it to Sapitwa. 3,002 meters above sea level. The excitement is all over. We made it here. It's exciting to get here. You can see the breeze. Let's just hear what these guys are feeling.
Wow, we've been dreaming to be here. Now we're here, Sapitwa, the highest peak. Honestly, the feeling, I cannot explain it right now. But what I know is that I'm just so happy that I'm here. And great, it's hard for fun, guys, that has made us to come here, and we're here and we're enjoying ourselves. Next time, plan to join us.
Hello, my name is Ed. I am one of the members for H4F group. We're here up here at Sapitwa Peak. Well, it's a wonderful experience, but it's very painful, and you need to be physically and mentally prepared for it. But it's a very doable activity. Anybody else can do it, but you just need to be very well prepared. I'm having a wonderful time. It's painful, but I don't have any choice. But it's a great experience. It's good to be up here.
Hi, my name is David. Member of H4F. I'm here on Sapitwa Peak. It was hard, but pain is temporary. I'm enjoying myself, loving it, loving the view, loving the beauty of Malawi. We can do more on the tourism side, but we are also loving what we can do as H4F for Malawi. So this is one of the way of showcasing what the tourism industry can do in Malawi. Loving it, enjoying it. Pain is temporary. Thank you.